What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video with the winner beater Mazda 3. Today we're going to be doing a pure audio of the muffler delete that I've done on this car to give you an idea of what it sounds like through multiple different courses of driving. So we're going to do a somewhat cold start. It's been sitting for a while. I don't think it's cold enough, so we're going to do a startup. I'm going to do some rev matching downshift. We're going to do some interior driving. We're going to do some drive-bys and just a full audio video for you guys with no interruptions from now until the end of the video when I do an outro. So without further ado, let's go get ahead. Started with this. I meant to make this video a long time ago, but I'm finally doing it now. So let's go ahead. Not the prettiest car either, but we're not here for the car. We're here for the audio. Yeah, that wasn't even a start at all. Anyways, let's move forward. guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. So I just want you guys to know I also do have a little bit of exhaust leak, so it does sound a little bit more or less quieter and not as crisp as it should, but that's your generic sound that you guys are gonna get, twin. And it doesn't sound too bad. It doesn't drone. What do you think, girlfriend? There you go. Does it drone? Does it hurt your ears on road trips?
No. Nope.
There you go. So, girlfriend approved. So the wife shouldn't be mad if you come home with a $100 bill for getting it removed. And I've done 4-hour road trips with it, and it's been fine for me, and I have no complaints, and I think it sounds pretty good. It's nice and tame, but it gives your sound a little bit of a different sound to it. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, comment down below if you guys have any questions or comments. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.